Hi guys, welcome back to TEMI Becky's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare avocado aloe vera hair mask. Stay tuned. So I will be using aloe vera, avocado and extra virgin olive oil. So guys, when you are cutting this aloe vera, you need to be careful because of the side, because this place can injure you. So you have to do it gradually. So guys, this is our hair mask. It's ready. So if you like what you are seeing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in our next one. Bye.